Hey, this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do a reading for Nature Speaks 333. I am here with Alexia, with an I. Yes, with an I. So I thought that was interesting. But this is Teddy Bear here, and I'm going to connect. Give me 1 second. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down below. Comment, let me know if this resonates. And if you're interested in tarot card readings, I have another channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, where I offer daily readings for the astrological signs, and also an Etsy shop in the description box below. Okay, give me 1 moment. Hello. Do you have a message for the collective? What is it? A turntable of events. Are set to standardize your ways of being upon the planet. Know that this is an idealized circumstance. That is being created for your awareness. Parts of this is of a distractionatory, is that what it is? Distractionatory, is that even a word? Well, they said it so, distractionatory nature. To dissuade you from realizing appearances. Appearances of other dimensions. Let yourself be at one with nature. Allow yourself the recognition of what is. Allow yourself the incorporation of this knowledge within. Your eyes do not deceive you. Your intuition does not deceive you. It is. Do not allow these distractions to take hold of you too tightly. Resistance will be added to the awareness of interdimensional beings. So noticing these distractions, awareness of these distractions. Yes, absolutely be aware. But know that there is so much more to be aware around you. And you must open yourself up to what is. yourself. Do not allow others to lead you. You will understand if you're leading yourself by means of the heart. Let your heart pull you. Let your heart guide you. Allow your heart to acknowledge what is. The new world is new, and so is everything upon it. As the vibration raises, as your vibration raises, so too does your awareness of higher vibrational octaves. I know that's a musical term, but okay. Octaves. Thus, beings of a higher vibration will begin to become a part of this new world. Their placement within yours will be entirely up to you. Your interaction with these beings will be entirely up to you. They are not to be feared. They are to be acknowledged and appreciated. They will in turn give you the same acknowledgement, the same appreciation. They also can offer you knowledge, but you must be open to it. You must believe that this is the new truth. Their knowledge is their truth. They can offer it. You can integrate it within your knowledge, within your truth, and become an expansion of the new world. It is with a great responsibility you hold within you the light. How you express this light is your free will. So use it wisely. Is that it? Well, thank you, Alexia. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was interesting. It's always interesting. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down below. If you would, before you leave, I appreciate it. And if you're interested in tarot card readings, I have another channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, where I offer daily readings for the signs. And also an Etsy shop if you're interested in a more personalized reading. Etsy shop is in the description box below. You guys have a great day, and always remember, stay connected with your heart. Namaste.